When you mean we, you mean you and Jesse,
Help
right?
you. What do you guys like to eat? What kind of eating? What do you want to eat? Pasta?
Oh,
Chicken?
I'll eat everything as long as it agrees with her.
yeah.
I was saying to someone the other day about how like I drank all this cranberry, like cran apple juice. I couldn't get enough juice for Benjamin. And then I think like after like 2 weeks
Okay,
of her
let's
doing
get
that, I was
those
making him
hiccups. Say
like super
bye-bye.
gassy.